Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make your computer up to 10 times faster using a free tool called BleachBit. Okay, let's get started. Let's open the browser and type bleachbit.org, then hit enter. Here's how the program looks like. The program comes with two versions, Windows version and Linux version for those who use Linux. I'll choose the Windows version since I'm using Windows 11. There are two options, the installer and the portable version, and I'll go with the installer since it's the best for most people. Click on the download and start downloading the file, and once you are done, open the file and start the installation and follow the same steps as you see. Let's wait until the installation is completed and we will run the program. Okay, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video that BleachBit is a free open source program that helps you remove unnecessary files and clear system junk and free up the disk space. Okay, guys, let's go to the most important part. As you see in the list, we have many items, such as system cache, internet cache, logs, temporary files, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge. Those are the list of many temporary files and logs and browsing history. So those files will make our computer run very slow. So we have to get rid of them. We have to delete them. So you can check the boxes next to what you want to clean. And then we'll click preview to see how much space you will save. And finally, you will tick on the clean to delete everything safely. BleachBit will make your computer faster 10 times than before. As I said, it's free and safe. It's an open source program and you will enjoy using it. You can use it once a month or once a week. It depends on the performance of your PC and the way you work in your PC. Guys, this was everything for today. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.